Come with me to Apex Entertainment, located in the heart of Town Center, Virginia Beach. First stop, our massive arcade with over 85 interactive games. Swing by our redemption center to grab your prizes, or save your points for next time. No judgment here, we're all about the fun. It's time to roll. With 24 lanes of 10-pin bowling, grab your ball, gather your crew, and let's get those strikes. Enjoy lane-side service for food and drinks as you play. Look up, suspended 40 feet in the air is our thrilling ropes course. Do you have what it takes? Ready to throw your party? Host your next event in our private VIP bowling area, complete with your own private bar. For the ultimate 3D experience, check out the only dark ride in Virginia Beach. Choose from 4 epic rides and battle zombies, robot cowboys, and giant spiders for the top score. Get into overdrive with our naval-based themed laser tag. Team up with friends and square up for a high-energy battle. Step into Holygate VR with haptic vests and fight robots, zombies, or even ghosts for an out-of-this-world experience. Make your way to the second floor for even more fun. Whether you're sinking pets or completing a pass, our action sport and golf simulators have something for everyone. Bumper cars are calling your name. Get in and forget the rules of the road. This is a carnival-style fun at its finest. Buckle up for a race on our high-performance speedway. Challenge yourself for the fastest lap and see if your name comes up on the leaderboard. Ready for the challenge? Escape from a sinking submarine, find the cure to a zombie apocalypse, or outsmart an evil warden in our thrilling escape rooms. Arr, matey! Help Blackbeard find his lost treasure in 18 holes of indoor golf under black lights. Loser has to walk the plank. Ready to try something new? Come check out our axe throwing. Make sure you hit the bullseye for bragging rights. Grab your Apex Fun Pass and hop into a game of pool. It's all about the fun. Planning a party? From food to entertainment, we've got everything you need to make your event unforgettable. For a day packed with thrills and excitement, Apex is the place to be.